Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh my goodness, I've been in the house for 2 days, y'all. It's been snowing, I've been snowed in. They finally came and plowed it. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. And look, I turned on Walmart Spark immediately. I got to order $28.92, 8 miles, and check this out. Walmart Spark let me accept 2 orders at the same time. I accepted another order, $21 for 4 miles, 2 orders. Let's get it. So I got 2 orders now, one for $28.92 and another one for $21. I am ready to go. I ain't never been in the house this long in my life. I gotta get out of here. I gotta go make some money. I don't know what time I'm coming home, because look, I'm not going back in the house. I gotta go make some money. I can't, I'm not doing that ever again. Man, I walked to the store. I can't even remember the last time I walked to the store, y'all. I gotta go make some money. Let's get it. I got Uber going right here. I ain't even turned on Doordash yet. I got $50 in orders right here on Spark. I'm about to knock these things out. Man, look at this. Y'all see this snow? Do y'all see these big old piles of snow? Come on, man. I've been in the house. Made it to Walmart. Let's see how many people up here. Oh, looks like I'm gonna be... Okay, we got 1 person here.
Weather, my friend.
Hell yeah, what's up, man? I'm the first person.
Yeah?
Look at that. First person of the day. Look at that.
We're going to put this one in the back seat. It's pretty small.
All right, this one back seat. And the other one, hold on, the front. That's
I'll put another sticker on both of them to worry
cool.
about like the placement of it.
No, I do this for me so I can know. Okay.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Trunk, back seat, boom.
Boom.
How y'all doing this morning?
It's another beautiful day.
Yeah, man, it's cold. Well, it's not cold, it's just a lot of snow. Man, I was stuck at home for 2 days.
2 days?
Yep. Some idiots tried to leave my parking lot. So then they got stuck and the plows couldn't plow my parking lot. So I've been stuck for 2 days because of them. I even went out there and tried to help them. Yeah, it was crazy.
You have to appreciate my POS Jeep.
Say again?
My Jeep.
Where is it?
It's in the middle of the parking lot.
I'm gonna check it out. I'm gonna check it out for sure. Look at that first order. I'm the first one here of the day. So now I'm gonna drop this one off and then I'm gonna head over to the 48 store, pick up my order over there, get this money. I ain't going home. I've been at home for 2 days, y'all. I'm not going home at all. I might just take a nap in the car. Damn, that's that fast. Look at this big old mountain. This is what I'm trying to tell you, man. This is Sioux Falls right here. Look at all that snow. Look, come on, man. Man, I have forgotten how absolutely easy Walmart Spark is. I just got that first order dropped off. It was only 3 minutes away. So now I'm heading to my second drop off already. I have my next order already. So we in good shape. Walmart Spark may be the way to go today. It's super early, so I know nobody ordering food yet, but yeah, we gonna check back. Next order, we got $11.50 for 4.9 miles. I'm gonna go ahead and get a screenshot. Alrighty, we made it to Walgreens. Let's go ahead and see what they got on her. Some paper towels and some socks. Hey. So they don't got those, so they getting those. Some paper towels. This is gonna be the last item right here. Some stuff. Next order, we got $7.50 for 3 miles right here at Arby's. No peak pay. I'm keeping the wheels rolling with this one. I almost turned on Earn by Time this morning, but I said, you know what, stop playing with me, because I know they're gonna play me. It's too much snow out here, and the road conditions is too bad to be playing with Doordash and doing some Earn by Time. So I'm not even finna play that game today. What I am gonna do is do Earn by Order, and I'm gonna keep on multi-apping, and I might just get a little dirty with it. I might just go ahead and put my feet in this dirty snow and get a little dirty multi-apping in. Stop playing with me. We made $30 that first hour. The second order on that Walmart Spark, they dropped it on me. So they only let me complete that first one. And then when I went to go do the second one, it was already gone. But then I did that Doordash order, Walgreens, shop and deliver, and they sent me a whole bunch of more shop and delivers that I declined. Because I ain't trying to spend no more time in this next hour shopping. I'm trying to get a couple deliveries done. And then if I can squeeze in a shop and deliver at the end of the hour to boost up that hourly rate, I will do that. But I'm not starting off my hour with a shop and deliver. That's bad business for me. So I got this $7.50 for Arby's, 3 miles. And it called me over there, so hopefully when I get there it'll be ready, because I don't want to wait at all really for this order. But it's in a prime position to give me my next order app. So we're gonna go ahead and check in once. This is how they trick new drivers. $3.75 for an additional 1.8. That's a no tip order, no thank you. Maybe $1, maybe $1 tip, but either way it's not profitable, and I'm not waiting extra time for $3. head up in the Arby's and see if they got this order ready. Excuse me. No, it's all good. I was just asking. I wasn't rushing.
No,
I was not rushing. I promise you. No, I just got here. It's all good. I saw it was like pretty much ready. I was like, you know what? Let me just ask real quick. No rush. It is all good. If you just love apartments, put a comment down below if you love apartment buildings. Daughter, look at this. We got $5.25 for 6.4 miles. That's a hard pass right there. Don't take offers like that, y'all. You're not gonna make no money going 12 miles for $5. Like, it's just not happening. So let me go ahead and continue and heading over towards my zone. If I get any orders that are decent, profitable orders, I'll take them. But in the direction I'm heading, let's $19 for 24 miles. You know what is wrong with these people? $19, 24 miles. Earned by time, that's what they'll send you right there. And they'll expect you to take it with no qualms. Now, that's crazy right there. I can't go 24 miles. Peter Pitt, 17 items, 5.9 miles. Let's see what we're looking at. 2 smoothies, a soup, and some chips. 12 for real items. Alrighty, looks like I'm taking that. Alrighty, let's get it. We made it to Peter Pitt. Let's go ahead, click arrived, and yes sir, we finna take a picture of that catering bag. Alrighty, we at Peter Pitt. Let's see if they got our catering order ready. Hello, how you doing this morning? I'm doing good. Picking up for Rachel. Picking up for Rachel. Yeah. Oh, it's a placement order. You want the order? That's fine.
Yeah.
I can how can I make this? Cause it's like, I don't want y'all to have to scroll a whole bunch.
We can she'll type it in, so if you just want to let her look.
All right, here we go. I got it on this screen here, so that's like the easiest way to see everything.
Oh,
that's the smoothies, the soup, and the chips right there.
All right. We don't have any soup. I'm not
that's
sure
fine.
If DoorDash will refund that.
Yeah, they'll figure all that out. But as far as the sandwiches, like from the top, it's like 12 of them.
Do you mind if I see this?
No, go ahead. You can take your time. And look, while you doing that, I'm gonna go out here and yep, right here. So this order, that's a catering order, it was a place order. I never had to place a catering order in my life. So I placed the catering order, now I'm finna wait for it. It's probably gonna be about 20-30 minutes. But I got Walmart Spark running on this phone, and I got Uber Eats, and I got Grubhub going on this phone. That's why it is so important to multi-app, guys. That's why it's so important to multi-app, guys. This is a great order. This is $150 in food. It's gonna be at least a $10, $15 tip on this. But here's the thing, by me waiting on this order, I'm not making no money. But I'm a multi-apper. I got my Uber, my Grubhub, and my Spark. Look at that, Spark something just came in on Spark. It's probably not a good offer, but that's just proving the point that I got options. I got other things I can do. This order on Doordash, this catering order, I'm waiting on it, no matter what. So that now I can sit here and cherry pick all these other 3 apps and maximize and make the most of this hour. Cause I'm already gonna get paid a good hourly rate from this catering order. Now adding in anything else is icing on the cake. What's this, $10.02 for 8.1 miles on Uber? Nah, that's that trip radar. That trip, I haven't gotten now one good order yet from the Uber Eats trip radar. Let me know in the comments below if you got a good offer from that trip radar on Uber Eats, because I've yet to get one. Every single offer they've sent me on the trip radar has been a really, really bad offer on that trip radar. Let's see, we got 10 different offers on Walmart Spark. We got $42.72 for 14 orders, 28 miles. I don't take that. Those them .com orders where it's like hella stops for 40 or 50 or 60 bucks. I'm not taking that, and especially in this kind of snow. Look at this. Look at that snow. You think I'm doing 17 stops on Walmart in that snow for 50 bucks? Hell to the no. Be selective out here, y'all. If you're doing Walmart Spark, download Doordash, download Uber, download Grubhub. Add you something else into your repertoire so you can have multiple apps to pull from and cherry pick. Because if you out here and you only got Doordash, you're probably a top dash. If you out here, you only got Spark, you're probably doing .com orders. And if you on here and you only got Uber Eats, you're probably doing that trip radar. Multi-app people, make the most of your time. Don't let these apps just dick you around and send you anywhere in your zone. Don't let it. You decide where you want to go. Dash along the way, your way. All right, let's grab us a catering order. Look at that. They got them all lined up for us, ready to go. Look at that. Can't ask for nothing better. I wish I had like a piece of cardboard or something like to put in the bottom of this bag. That would make it so much better. Maybe I can use one of those pizza bags. You know what? I think I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna do that. Why not? I ain't got nothing else to do. Might as well. Might as well. Alright. Let's try that. There we go. Now that should sit a lot better like that. There we go. Now I like that a lot better. So if you have a catering bag and you have a lot in there and it's not stable enough, find you a piece of cardboard or something, or you can even use your DoorDash pizza bag if you have to, and you can use that as a base to give you a little bit extra foundation for your food that you're placing into that catering bag. So let's go ahead and get this one delivered. They do got a couple smoothies. I got those up here up front with me. They really close too. Let's get it done. Catering order has been dropped off. Let's see what our catering order turns into. And I did hand it to the customer, so I'm gonna go ahead and check that little box. $29.45. Let's go. Let's go ahead and see if we can get. That was a good tip. $26 tip on that one. Next offer, DoorDash decided to send me $3.50 for 2.3 miles. That's a pizza order. I'm gonna go ahead and decline that one because I'm not confronting no pizza customers today. We sitting at $48.45 on DoorDash, sitting at $20 on Walmart Spark. So totaling that's almost 70 bucks right there. $8.18 for 11.2 miles. That's a hard pass. So we actually doing pretty good today. So doing good for this morning. I'm sitting at about $48 on DoorDash and another 21, so that gives us $69, almost 70. And I only been out for about 2 hours, so that's good money right there. About $35 an hour, not quite, but we're gonna see what else we can get. I did wait a little bit on that catering order because I did have to place, the very first time I had to place a catering order ever. $8.75 for 5.2 miles. Yeah, I'm good on that. The reason is that's good miles to money, hidden tip potential, but it's taking me down the highway and it ain't no restaurants down. I can't get an order once I get down there. Where I'm at right now, I can sit here and just cherry pick and wait for a good order to come. Here goes something on Grubhub. $25 for Firehouse subs and Slim Chickens. 18 miles. I can't do that. That's just way too far from me. We're gonna see what else we get. I don't know what's going on. $7.02 for 2 items, 3 miles at McDonald's. I don't even go to McDonald's. But you know what? If they sent me this offer, it got that I'm going on. I'm about to go ahead and take it. Cause look, I can't even, look, check this out, listen, here's the thing. I can't even tell you the last time I've been to McDonald's, okay? I don't even go to Taco Bell, McDonald's, KFC. I don't even go to none of them places. So for them to send me that order, I literally called support and told them, look, don't send me orders for McDonald's and Taco Bell ever again. And they haven't done it. So this is like very surprising that this order even hit my phone. What the hell is going on? I don't know. But we about to pull up and see what the hell is happening because I ain't never got an order from McDonald's. I ain't got an order from McDonald's in months. But you know what? It's $7, it's 3 miles. I do want to keep these wheels rolling. So it's worth a shot. If I have to undersign it, I will. No hesitation. But we're gonna pull up and see what the hell going on now. Alrighty, we made it to McDonald's. I'm taking y'all in with me because I need to know if this is real. If this order gonna be ready, what the hell is going on? We got a pickup time of 12:23 and it's 12:15. That is not looking good. Let's go ahead and slide up in here and see what's going on. We're gonna see. It's gonna be a while. They got me. Next order, we got $7.50 for 3.7 miles. I like it because it's drive-through. We're gonna go ahead and take that one. Hello.
How are you?
I'm doing good. How you doing?
Good. You staying warm?
Oh, I'm trying. I got 2 jackets, 2 socks. I got my good boots. I'm good. Have a good one. Thank you. It's just keeping the wheels rolling. I got my next order. It's so bright, y'all can't even see it, but I'm gonna go ahead and screenshot it. We got $7.66 for 4.6 miles. 3 items at Subway. That's perfect because it's bringing me back where I was going already, and it's keeping the wheels rolling. Let's go ahead and get it done. I'm almost at that $100 goal. How you doing? Everything all good with that order?
What?
Everything okay with that order? Having problems with it? No problems with that one? All right.
You're good to go.
Awesome. I'm gonna grab it. I gotta call the customer. They got problems.
Got problems?
They got problems. I gotta call them. Okay, I just wanted to make sure. Usually when they got problems, there's always problems on this side too, so I check.
Okay.
I appreciate you though, thank you.
Yeah.
Alrighty, thank you. We're all good. Boy dropped off. Now, whenever they show you a weird dollar amount, like anything that's other than a whole dollar or a half dollar, that's pretty much all you're gonna get on that tip. So boom, $7.66 is what we got. $4.16 on that tip. Alrighty, so you can see I did one trip today on Spark, $21 right here, that's this one. And then on DoorDash, let's go ahead and end that dash right there. Yeah, I know it's busy, it's $1 peak pay. Nobody cares, DoorDash. We did $71. And as you can see right there, from 10 a.m. So we did it for 3 hours. So $21 plus $71, that's 92 bucks right there. We did $92 in the morning time, right after a snowstorm. That's $33 an hour. 3 hours of work, I do that any day of the week. I'm about to take a break, go in here, get this video done, and then I'm about to come back out and we're gonna hit it hard for the dinner shift, because I know these folks out here gonna be hungry. Ain't nobody been able to order nothing for 2 days. They're gonna be starving. It's gonna be some nice fat juicy tips out there, and I'm gonna make sure I get a piece of it.